So, you want to create an effective business plan for your YouTube channel that appeals to audiences of all ages? Well, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, know your audience. Understanding who you're creating content for is key. Consider the demographics, interests, and preferences of your viewers. This will help tailor your content to meet their needs and keep them engaged. Next, define your channel's niche. What sets you apart from the rest? Find your unique selling point and make sure it shines through in every video you create. Whether it's educational content, entertainment, or a mix of both, consistency is key. Now, let's talk about content strategy. Plan your videos in advance and create a content calendar to stay organized. This will help you maintain a consistent posting schedule and keep your audience coming back for more. Monetization is another crucial aspect of your business plan. Explore different revenue streams such as ads, sponsorships, merchandise, or even paid memberships. Diversifying your income sources can help you build a sustainable channel. Engagement is the name of the game. Interact with your audience through comments, polls, and live streams. Building a community around your channel can boost engagement and loyalty among your viewers. Lastly, track your performance. Analyze your metrics regularly to understand what's working and what's not. Use this data to refine your strategy and optimize your content for better results. In conclusion, creating a successful business plan for your YouTube channel requires a combination of knowing your audience, defining your niche, planning your content, exploring monetization options, engaging with your viewers, and tracking your performance. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a thriving channel that resonates with audiences of all ages.